Lewis Hamilton is champion of the F1 grid. Who's the king of the energy drink world in the F1 circle? We're going to decide that today.
Dun dun dun.
We have Monster.
That's the OG. I haven't had that in
The
bloody years.
the original Monster. The sponsor of Mercedes F1 team. And we got Red Bull, the owner of Red Bull and AlphaTauri.
I haven't had both of these in years.
I haven't. Apart from, I've had both in a Jaeger bomb because there's a place down Parkshire that puts Monster in the Jaeger bomb
Really?
instead of Red Bull, and it's fucking disgusting. So we'll see how this goes. Didn't get more than 2 glasses, so we'll have to share our coronavirus. We're gonna be famous for coronavirus.
Yeah, we are.
Can I
As soon as that virus dies,
We're dead.
as
Can
soon as
I
that's
just,
gone, this is gone.
Can I just ask a question? If I give you like 50p, can I have the rest of the Monster after?
Yeah, and I was thinking I am tired, so the
Sweet.
second you leave, I was gonna down the Red Bull,
What do I get?
even despite what I think of it.
I mean, you don't
How
get
much should I
anything.
pour out?
Nah, I do.
Looks like weed, doesn't it?
Just looks like lager,
Wait,
doesn't it?
Oh, we should have you should have poured it out and then been like. wait,
Do they look
how
the
does it
same?
finish? Yeah.
Oh shit! I didn't realise it
Is
looked
this
so
one a little
similar.
bit darker?
Don't know.
I poured more in the one. So
I'm gonna mix them up
poured
down here.
more
I'm
in
not
the-
even looking at this.
I poured more
So
in
should
the
I?
Monster.
Yeah, should
Sam.
we close our eyes? Because
I
Did
poured
you?
More in
Oh,
the
so you know.
Monster.
Right, hang on. I'll pour them in, and you guys.
yeah, but now can you remember which
Right.
one's which?
Yeah, Sam's an idiot and he won't know.
Yeah, you said. All right.
She poured more of the Monster in.
Fucking hell. Wait, what? Yeah, but now you don't know what that is.
We're starting again.
That was the Monster.
Can you hurry up? Because I'm ready for today.
Yeah.
Right, monsters, like, descriptions are really funny.
Ugh. I don't know what's what actually, and they're normally really different, but now I can't think. Right.
I ain't had the sugared Monsters for ages.
No,
I'm so, like-
Nor have I, because if I smash a can,
I used to get
I'm
shakes.
fucking shaking, mate.
Yeah.
What, Monster?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, because I only drink the white.
I got ID'd
Hang on,
by
hang on,
these,
hang on.
by the way, and she said happy birthday for tomorrow. And I was like, damn, you look proper in detail.
I keep forgetting it's your birthday tomorrow.
Yeah, my mom.
Happy birthday for tomorrow.
Don't drink this, you're breastfeeding.
Damn.
Right. Keep them there.
This one's monster.
Right, I'll tell
This
you after.
one's
There's a
monster.
bag under one of them, so that's how I'm going to differentiate. So when you take a sip, put back on the bag. This is really, really high production value.
Which one we going to?
That one.
This one first, yeah?
Yeah, I think that's monster.
Can I smell it or just sip?
You could do what you want,
Do what
mate.
you want. You can swivel it, spit it out.
I didn't know they were so similar in colour, because they taste quite a lot different. Yeah?
Mm.
That's monster.
I kind of forget what
So
ones.
go straight in on this one.
You can, yeah.
I'm gonna change my mind now, aren't I? What are you thinking? Really? Is it that close?
Are they similar?
Do you want more?
I didn't think they were so similar.
No, alright, hang on.
That's Red Bull. 100%
Yeah.
that's Red Bull.
That's
That
Monster,
was,
though.
That's way too sweet.
Yeah.
And the colour was darker.
So what is your favourite?
Me? They're similar though, aren't they?
I didn't realise they were so
Monster.
similar.
That's the
think
first time I've had a
Monster.
sugary Monster for
Yeah,
years.
same. No, I've had this one.
Oh, I
Um,
really like it now.
Was
I like
I
both.
right? This is Red Bull. This is Red Bull.
Yeah. Do you
I
know,
think Monster.
when I was younger, I loved...
Wait, I
yeah,
was gonna
Red
give you
Bull...
50p for
Monster
that
was the
one.
one on the bag. Monster was this one on the bag that you finished, so I'm assuming you preferred it.
Yeah.
Do you know why I'm more
That's
Team
weird.
Monster?
Why?
There's one simple reason
Sweeter,
for this.
isn't it?
He's
No.
loyal to Lewis.
There is one simple reason for this.
What? What?
You get more value for your money.
Yeah, you do.
You
look.
do. You get a big can. To be
That-
fair, that was only a pound. That was only a
That
pound.
was only a pound, but you can get them for a friggin' quid as well.
Mm.
And, the
And also,
flavours are nicer.
Do you know you could get a Monster in the meal deal in
Look
Tesco,
at that.
and that's nearly your meal deal price. In the can is nearly the
But
price.
also,
What'd
Red
you get?
Bull is Red Bull,
250?
but Monster you can get different flavours and they're like sugar
That's-
free. Is it
That's
sugar
more
free?
than
Yeah.
half.
No, you get sugar-free Red Bull now.
No, I know, but you could get that.
There's not many
flavour.
flavors. Some places have. Mind this.
That,
Yeah.
that's double.
Yeah.
Exactly double.
What
And
is
they're
your
pretty
A
favourite
lot better
monster?
value for money.
What's your
I
favourite
like
monster?
the red one.
I'm the white.
I'm the either red or purple.
I'm white all the way.
I gotta say though, when I was younger, I liked Red Bull, right?
Yeah.
But Jaeger bombs have made
I
me
used to
really hate
drink-
that, and
No.
that is really nice. I like it a lot.
No, back in my fatty days, my mum used to get me a 4-pack of Red Bull, Malwams, Maltesers, and cashew nuts, and that was my Friday night every week.
Friday.
Yeah.
Woohoo! No, no,
Monday,
Jägermeister, no
Tuesday,
Red Bull.
free.
Yeah, but that was my Friday night treat. Then I'd have like pizza on a Saturday.
And it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, but I gotta say, I thought I was gonna prefer the Red Bull, but I prefer the Monster.
I
Yeah.
every now and again,
Monster's sweeter.
every now and again, I get a Red Bull, but
I knew I
it's,
tasted
I just find for the price of just that,
It's tiny, and wait,
it's
what
fucking
It is
is
very
ridiculous.
small.
That's 250. That's 500.
It's fucking literally double.
That was only £1 though.
And
this
you can
was
get
£2
bigger ones, can't you?
something.
Well,
I
where the
think.
fuck did you buy that?
Actually,
from?
no, 170
Asda.
something maybe. I
Well,
don't
you
know.
went to the
Actually,
wrong
should have
place.
thought of that,
Can you
shouldn't
get
I?
bigger ones?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can.
What of them?
yeah.
You
But
get
they've
big ones,
actually
don't you?
got a twisty cap, so it
Oh,
doesn't lose its
never had
fizz.
that. Yeah. If I drink that though, I'll be shaking,
They're
mate.
so much better because you can flick the lid round and it doesn't lose fizz.
Well, there you go.
Interesting.
I'll smash it in one go though, so it doesn't matter.
I need to
But
find
yeah,
anyone else
so what we've decided is
sponsors anything.
Red Bull, you're worth a lot more. We respect you as a team, but Monster is
One thing I
nicer.
do find funny is that they put straws in this and like make the driver pretend to drink it like they're drinking a Red Bull.
Do you know in UFC, like UFC and
But
that?
they're not drinking a Red Bull. Right?
I heard on Joe Rogan in UFC when they bring like a Monster up to the like when they're doing a press conference, they have to dump the drink out. They can't have the drink up there
Yeah.
because they chuck it on them or something like that. It's just so they don't have anything in them
That's like
cans.
150 calories. Nearly.
Damn.
That is- Yeah.
Wait, is it? No.
But to be fair,
125?
So we've decided Monster is king of the energy grid. We should do an alcohol one of the there's quite a few alcohol
Guess
sponsors
how
in
many
there.
calories is it in there?
Do they still do cigarette ones?
Yeah. Well, yeah, it's sort of hidden, isn't it?
Guess how many calories
Mission is it
there?
Mission Winnow
Do
or
they do
whatever
food?
on
Let's
the
just do a
Ferrari?
cigarette
Do they
one.
do food ones?
I don't know. I can't think of any right now.
Guess how many
Rosie was like, "Oh,
calories?
come on, Domino's."
No, I was thinking like protein bar or something. I don't know.
You lying bitch.
McDonald's.
Lucasade used to sponsor McLaren, didn't they?
Luke is disgusting.
What?
Well, I
Right.
love a Lucasade, mate.
Guess how many calories in here?
I don't know.
300,
You're running us low.
200.
237.
Oh, far off.
That's a lunch. I mean, I wouldn't have that for
It's
lunch.
not. It's like
If-
half a lunch.
Yeah,
If
but
it's
yeah,
anything,
half
I haven't eaten today.
Yeah, okay. Well, there you go then.
Well, anyway,
Lunch.
so what we're saying is Monster is king. In terms of taste, obviously Red Bull probably worth far more money, so probably the popular opinion is that Red Bull is nicer. But Monster is the king of the F1 grid.
Yeah,
Come at me.
yeah.
People aren't gonna like that.